My BL lovers, this is the English explanation and summary for the episode 1 of the series Personal Weatherman. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Someone is offering Dayo-chan to live with him as he will take care of his food and lodging expenses and he can continue drawing his manga. And in return, Yo means Dayo-chan need to do whatever he says. Segasaki is a well-known weatherman working for Everyday Weather Channel. Yo is a person who every day watches Segasaki in weather news. According to the news, there will be heavy rain for the next few days. Yo is talking to Mansan, his friend, while drawing manga and tells her that he has watched Segasaki's news section for 5 times and is still watching. But when she asks that if he likes him, he totally denies it, saying he's just obsessed with his perfect facial features. But Mansan says that Sagasaki for having more qualities than that. But as he was talking to her, someone entered his room asking that if he is talking to a girl again, and it is Segasaki himself asking to serve him food. Segasaki is the one living with Yo who earlier asked him to live with him and continue doing his manga. Segasaki asked him about the girl Yo always talk with, but Yo thinks that he is not interested in knowing anything about Yo. As they eat, Segasaki likes to disturb Yo just to have his attention on him. Although Segasaki likes to tease him, but he is an introvert, not speaking much, whereas Yo wants to have them more conversation. Yo likes to see him all day. On a day when they got intimate, Segasaki told him that from now we will do it only on sunny days, and this frustrates Yo as these days it's always raining. Although he tries to convince himself that he hates rain as it makes everywhere damp and uncomfortable. While hearing the forecast, it appears to be sunny today, and this makes him think that can this word sunny be same for anyone else as it is for him. Yo is making curry for Segasaki, but Segasaki is all clingy to him. Yo knows that once Segasaki is done with his food, he will have sex with Yo. Yo's mind is always running with his own presumptions about Segasaki, and as assumed by Yo, as soon as they were done with eating, Segasaki wants him. Yo thinks that Segasaki is doing all this to him although they are not even dating, and Yo has got the tendency to naturally follow his orders. Yo wants to know why they do it only before a sunny day. He recalls that it all started with a day when Segasaki got to know that Yo is quitting his passion of drawing manga, as by it Yo was not able to make a living. So Segasaki offered Yo to come live with him so that he can be free from his problems and can continue his manga without any worries. So this is Yo, who manages and takes care of Segasaki's home and have Segasaki to take care of him, and also wants to have sunny days always, but yet is not sure what their relationship is. So guys, if you liked the video, please watch for the next episode, that is episode 2. Thank you.